Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have AXS daily updates, so let's see where are we going. Are we going to correct even more? What are the next moves for this coin right there? And of course guys, before we begin, join our monthly subscription. Link is in the description down below. Buy me a coffee/mindyourcrypto. You will get easy profits with automated signal buying opportunities, personal guidance, educational videos, and many more. You can cancel anytime you like and only 50 people can join in, so book your seat. And of course, if you want to ask me anything or you want to join our beautiful family, Mind Your Crypto Grow Together, the Telegram group chat, you will find the link in the description down below as well. Hit the like button and subscribe if you like the content. Let's go right now to the Fibonacci retracement, starting from this bottom right there. Here we go, ending up to this top. I want to identify major support levels as we progress down, right? Because you can see that we are correcting a little bit from this impulsive wave right here, this phenomenal impulsive wave, guys. You can see how much we went upwards. Let's see, from the bottom to the top, 520% we went upwards for AXS. Now we want to see whether we are going to just calm down a little bit in between this range or we are going further down. We will talk, we will analyze it further. You can see the volume is decreasing a little bit. You can see that we had a peak around here and now it is decreasing. It has the angle of that it wants to decrease a little bit. The moving average is decreasing as well. So you can see that the MACD on the 4-hour frame, we are still good. Eventually we go down from this support level, we won't still be good. Okay, so you have to be a little bit careful, although for now we are fine, but if we fall all the way down we won't be fine. Okay, if you see the blue line going below and the signal line follows, follows right afterwards, then we won't be going upwards. Okay, so let's see the AXS USDT chart. You can see the 4-hour frame, the commodity channel index and the CCI, right? The RSI and the stochastic RSI. The RSI is going a little bit down, although if we see a pattern like this going a little bit down furthermore to 48 or so, then I think we are going further down because we have lost the impulsive wave, right? And I think we already lost it. I mean, we found the top. Now we will consolidate for a bit. Same here for the commodity channel index. We might be going down to minus 100 for AXS. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold situation though. So let's see where are we going, because in an impulsive wave, guys, the stochastic RSI is the best. However, we should be a little bit careful for now. Maybe we are going to correct even more, but I will tell you the possibilities and the probabilities of having another swing high or not afterwards, right? So therefore, according to the risk metrics, we are in an oversold situation for the stochastic RSI. For the other two, we are not in an overbought, neither in an oversold, but sometimes you have to watch the pattern. If you are experienced with the risk metrics, then you will realize probably we are going down from here. If we just go a little bit further down, then I think we are going all the way down for the RSI, right? And we will find the bottom once the commodity channel index goes below minus 100. So let's go right now to AXS in the daily frame. You can see on an impulsive wave, we don't care about being on the top line of the Bollinger Bands and we don't have any risk involved, because in the normal market, when we approach the top line of the Bollinger Bands, like here, we are going down, the bottom we are going up. Okay, you can see that the top we are going down, the bottom we are going up all the way. In an impulsive wave, this is an exception. We are going along the top line of the Bollinger Bands. And let's see the SSL hybrid for a bit. The SSL hybrid, we had a buying opportunity. We have yet to steal a selling opportunity to short our position right here. And I've told you guys that the SSL hybrid is better at identifying buying opportunities, not so much the selling opportunities, right? So eventually now for the daily frame, you can see we are still in an overbought situation for the RSI. Commodity channel index the same, guys, and we should be a little bit careful, right? The stochastic RSI is in an overbought situation as well, and the MACD right now, it looks good, although if we have a bearish cross, it won't be looking good. But for now, it still looks good, but the MACD as well as the moving averages are lagging a little bit behind. Okay, so let's go now to AXS Bitcoin chart. You can see that it is Quite the same with the fuel Tether USD. We had an impulsive wave. We are now correcting for a little bit, and we won't see whether we will have another swing higher or not. So definitely, guys, for the commodity channel index, we are going a little bit further down the RSI. You can see on the 4-hour frame, and of course, guys, we might be going further down. We will analyze it further in the price analysis afterwards. Right there you can see the MACD is performing like the Tether USD chart we saw before. So let's go a little bit the daily frame. On the daily frame, still an overbought situation, a very high risk right there. Commodity channel index the same. You can see the stochastic RSI the same, guys, and the MACD it looks identical actually to AXS Tether USD chart, right? So let's go now and see a little bit of the price analysis, because I want to stay a little bit longer here. Okay, so you can see that we have some major support levels in case we drop down, and for me one major support level is the 8 cents around there, the 8 USDT actually around there, the 9.5, of course, the 11.4, and we have some other support levels. I will just use the rectangle here because it is a little bit longer as support level, the 0.618 I'm talking about. Here we go, guys, the 7.7 to 8.03. I believe this is a very critical support level, and of course another very critical support level is the 5.6. Okay, so for now you can see that if we correct a little bit more, you want just to hold these positions right here, and you want probably to reinvest around 8.3, around 7.78, around there Tether USD, because it is very possible that as we go down here, guys, that we will see another swing high. If this is a correction, if this is a further consolidation and we don't go upwards, we will see a correction going on, and then we will stop around this area right here, and then we will have another swing high, right? Probably at 13.5 before we go down again. So it happens very often. After an impulsive wave, we are going a little bit down, we are just going upwards again and then go down again. Same happened with the fuel, guys, same happened with Matic, many altcoins there. And you can see that in case we just make this as support level, next price target is of course the 20 Tether USD, right? The 20 Tether USD for the AXS is the other price target, but for now we have to make this as support level first. First of all, we have to make the 16.7 as support level, or eventually, guys, if you want to have a little bit more risk, once we make the 14 around there Tether USD as a support level, then we will probably go to 20. But for now, guys, you should be careful, right? You should be careful because we might consolidate a bit more. There are many chances of correcting a little bit more right here for AXS, but you can see the price targets right there as we correct, and I told you what you should do as a buying strategy, not a financial advice, but around this area, guys, we might see a swing high right here and eventually stop around this area, then go down again, right? So for me, this is what will happen. Let's see a little bit the Bitcoin, guys, as we progress and correct a little bit for AXS Bitcoin chart. We will depend more on Bitcoin, right? We will depend a lot on Bitcoin, and there, if we correct and have another fall down, another crash rate here, then of course, guys, for AXS, this will mean that even if Bitcoin goes upwards, AXS will just go down. Okay, so for now you should be a little bit careful for AXS Tether USD in the 4-hour frame. 11, 9.5, 9.7, 8.2 and 5.6. And you can see that the commodity channel index is going a little bit down, right? We lost some higher lows. We want to see, actually we haven't lost yet, but as it's going down, we might lose the momentum of having a pattern like this in an impulsive way. When we are seeing some higher lows in the commodity channel index, and of course when it goes upwards, it goes into an overbought situation. This is what happened what happens, guys, in an impulsive way. We are seeing a pattern like this for the RSI as well. And if we go down all the way for the RSI around here, let's say, for example, then that means we probably lost the impulsive wave. We probably found the top, and now it is the time to consolidate for a bit, right? So therefore, guys, this is what happens, and that's why you should be a little bit careful from now on. And of course, you shouldn't FOMO in right here for AXS right now. We just want to be a little bit careful, right? Because definitely, guys, we might keep going downwards all the way. We will find support level and probably a swing high before we go down, if this is the top right there, which I think it has more possibilities of going down rather than making right there these as support level and eventually go all the way to 20 Tether USD. But I hope, guys, for those who bought at around here, around this area, around the top, I hope, I really do, that we can go to 20 Tether USD and then you can go out with profits. If you bought around here, guys, you should wait. You should wait right now, and patience is the key for success in the cryptocurrency market. Always remember that. Positivity, guys, and patience. You will win, and you will take profits if you have patience, if you have a good buying strategy and the next strategy. You can do it, guys. And of course, if you join the monthly subscription, you will do it better because you will learn technical analysis, and join our Telegram group chat, of course, because we help each other every day. Both of these links are in the description down below. So let's see right here that the possibilities, as I said before, of going down are higher. And of course, guys, I really do hope that we can go even to 20 Tether USD. That's our next target, guys, in case we make this a support level. 20 Tether USD for now. Just be patient a little bit, guys. Be patient, and of course, don't make any FOMO moves for now, right? Don't make any FOMO moves for now for AXS. Although it is possible, it is quite possible that, guys, that we have another swing high. I'm not saying that the possibilities are zero of having another swing high right here and go to 20 Tether USD. I'm just saying that for now it is best to observe and buy as we go down. You want to invest more money here, a little bit more money here, and as we go down more and more, right? So buy the dip and invest small amount of money in each price support level, right? That is a good buying strategy you can do, not a financial advice, but if you want to follow it, I believe you will go out taking profits. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Stay positive, and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.